Hello friends, in this video we will learn 10 lines about National Unity Day. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Let's start. National Unity Day. First line is National Unity Day in India is celebrated every year on 31 October. National Unity Day in India is celebrated every year on 31 October. Second line is it is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Third line is this day was first celebrated in the year 2014. This day was first celebrated in the year 2014. Fourth line is after independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. After independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. Fifth line is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a very important role in the integration of 565 princely states. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a very important role in the integration of 565 princely states. Sixth line is he is also known as Iron Man of India. He is also known as Iron Man of India. Seventh line is on the occasion of National Unity Day. tributes are paid to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On the occasion of National Unity Day, tributes are paid to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Eighth line is many programs are organized in different places of the country on the occasion of National Unity Day. Many programs are organized in different places of the country on the occasion of National Unity Day. Ninth line is this day was started with the aim of defending the message of unity among Indians. This day was started with the aim of spreading the message of unity among Indians. 10th line is on National Unity Day, the efforts and achievements made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for the unity of India are remembered on National Unity Day. The efforts and achievements made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for the unity of India are remembered. Thank you.